YouTube. Kim behind the camera here. What's up? Kimberly here. Hanging out. We've not made a vlog in a while. Sorry, you guys. Haven't been able to do one. As most of you know from my computer vlog of a while. My computer vlog a while back. My computer is basically a Frankenstein computer. It's got all different parts from all different computers in it. And it worked great for a while. Now I'm having problems with it. It's giving me a really hard time uploading my videos. It's doing stuff I don't want it to be doing. I've checked it for viruses, Trojans, whatever. Yeah, it's giving me a really hard time. I tried editing a video 4 times the other day before I finally gave up. So I think I have the problem fixed. And we're gonna try it again. If the vlog is not up tonight, I'm going to be pissed. But anyways, so I'm gonna show you guys clips now from the other day. It snowed.
Here we go.
Alright, we're all suited up.
Look at me.
Newt, look at you. Lily, look at you. You guys look pretty warm. I'm gonna grab my gloves. Alright, let's venture out.
Yep. Okay.
Oh, boy.
Boy. Boy.
Do you want to build a snowman? Hold on, Newt. I'm going to have to help you down. Stop. There you go.
Can I go for the snow?
Go run and play. By all means. Have fun. Show Newt how to do a snow angel. Look at you, Newt. Show Newt how to do a snow angel. Look, Newt. All right.
No, you do one.
Look at that beautiful angel. No, dear Lord, we won't have any snow left. Newt's just gonna roll around. I gotta put my gloves on. Whoa.
She's learning.
No.
Don't look at my zoom.
No, you too. I bit the snow. I tripped over that leaf pad. Ow. Oh my God.
Where do I go?
Oh, hold on. Let me clean my camera off.
Here you go.
No, you don't. I'm watching where I'm going this time. What are you doing? I'm not tripping over it. Newt, can you get up? Are you stuck? Hey. Newt, are you stuck? Hey. You okay? Alright, hold on. Hold on. She's like my little Christmas story baby. Hey! She's trying to throw a snowball at me. Ah! You got me! No! She's got another one! Ah! Oh no! Ah! Oh. Threw it at yourself.
I have one. I'm you.
I'm gonna get the both of you in a minute. Ah!
Get me.
Oh. Oh. You think hiding behind there is gonna help, do you? Hold on!
1, 2, 3.
Oh! It's the good snow too. We're gonna build a snowman. Be back with you. So that's what we have so far. Lily's working on hers. I got mine going. Newt's sitting over there eating snow. Let's make them bigger. Actually, that might be good. We just need a smaller one now. How is it?
Yes.
Good. Don't eat the yellow snow. Ah! All right, let's finish our snowman. Ready?
Yeah.
Holy cow. Careful. Push it over towards the grill. There's mine. Making its way over.
My glass coming off.
Alright. I'll help you. Hold on, come here. How does he look, Eliza? How'd we do, Lil?
Yeah. Ah.
Eliza, go see the snowman.
Yeah.
No, don't do that. Alright, go see him. Go stand next to him, Eliza.
I want to hug him.
Careful.
Cheese, popcorn.
You love the snowman?
Yeah.
Did a good job. What should we name him? Is it a boy or a girl?
I think I want it to be a boy.
A boy. What is his name?
Poopahamas.
Poopahamas?
Yeah.
Okay. That's nice, Lily. There's Poopahamas the snowman. Hashtag Poopahamas. Alright, smile.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Go behind Eliza. I'll be watching. Yeah. Want me to put
Sit. Sit. Still snowing.
snow on the side? Eliza!
Hi, Noo.
Look.
Alright, you got a couple more minutes and we have to go in, okay?
Why?
Because you guys we have to get warm, have lunch, and take naps.
No.
Yeah. Come on, Ann, your nose is starting to run. Come on, cheeks are red. Careful, Lily Grace.
There it is. Shut me in, Eliza.
No, come on. Oh, Eliza. Here, do you want down? Oh my God. Jeez, kid, you have no fear. She just jumped right off there into my arms. Okay, so, can't remember.
Go up there, Mommy.
She had a Bink with her. I don't see it, so maybe she didn't. Okay, let's go in.
I'm rolling.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes. 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 Let's go warm up.
No.
Let's go have some lunch. What do you want for lunch?
Well, right.
French fries? Oh, the joys of being a kid. Okay, goodbye, Snow. See you in just a little bit. Bye, Snow. Okay, so now that you saw Poopahannes, I want to show you what Poopahannes looks like today. It has been raining out, so a lot of the snow that did stay is now gone. But Poopahannes is strong. We packed us a good snowman because he's basically kissing the ground. Look at this. Look. He's like, I will not go down. It's like Kyle said, it's like the Matrix. And, you know, I'm still disappointed that Frosty never came to life. I think we put the wrong hat on it. That's it. We should go get a different hat. We'll put a different hat on it. We'll see if happy birthday. But anyways, yeah, so that's what Poopahannes looks like now. So sorry I didn't get this up sooner. I'm hoping I'll be able to get this one up in general. Pretty sure I fixed the problem. It kept duplicating different things. There's a UPS truck. Probably not for here. We never get packages. So anyways, hope you guys liked the vlog. If you did, like, subscribe. If you didn't, like, subscribe. Have a good night, guys.